Hi everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name's Steph. Hi, welcome back. If you haven't seen me before, then maybe check out my videos, give me a thumbs up, ding the notification bell and all that jazz. Anyway, today, because I'm having trouble getting flour, making cakes and stuff's really difficult, so we bought one of these instead. It's a Betty Crocker chocolate swirl cake mix. Now I did a Betty Crocker a few weeks ago. I did a red velvet, so if you'd like to check that out, I will put it up here somewhere in my little notification bits. Anyway, we're going to try making this today. I have all the ingredients. I have lined me tin. I have me eggs, me water, me oil, and my little measuring thing for me oil. And I've put the oven on. So yes, let's go. Oh, and you need one of these, unless you're going to use a hand mix, which you can do. Alright, but I'm going to read the instructions because I've never made one of these before. It says mix egg, water and cake mix gently together and whisk for 2 to 3 minutes. Right, now we have a normal cake mix, and then this is the chocolate bit, okay, which we've got to set aside, it says. Right, so first we just make up the normal cake mix. So cut top off, like that, stick it in your mixing bowl. Like that. Right, and then it says add your 3 eggs, which is what I've got here. 3 eggs. 1. 2. 3. Throw that bit away. And wash hands. And dry hands. Right, and then we add the oil. Right, it says we need 7 tablespoons of oil. So I have my little measuring thing and I have my oil, right? So I need 7 of these. I could try and turn my lid round because it makes it a lot easier to pour out. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, that's the oil done. Right, I shouldn't need this measuring thing anymore, so I'm going to stick it over there for now. Right, then we add our water. We have 200 millilitres of cold water. I'm going to add that to me cake mix. Okay, and then we're going to give it a beat for 2 to 3 minutes until it's all mixed up. Right, this bit's going to be noisy. My mixture, right, it tends to get stuck around the outside, so get your spatula, yeah, and clear all the mixture off the side. Okay, make sure you have it all in, otherwise your cake mix will not be thick enough and you'll end up with all the cake mix stuck at the bottom rather than mixed in. Alright, and then whisk it again for a little while. You have finished mixing the cake mix. It should look like this. Shouldn't have any lumps in it. Looks nice and creamy. Right, now what we have to do now, according to the instructions, remember I have not made this cake before, we have to take out 8 tablespoons of the white cake mix, okay? Put it in a bowl, don't matter what bowl you use. Right, that's 1, 2. I will do this and then get back to you because it's 8 tablespoons of mixture, right? Now, the rest of the mixture is going to go into my cake tin, okay? Evenly poured in. Okay. Use your spatula to scrape it out of the bowl. Okay. Make sure you get all the cake mix. Alright. Nice creamy cake mix. Just going to try and make sure I get it all out of the bowl. Use your spatula. Don't waste any. You know. Make sure you get out as much as you can. Right, once you've done that, you make sure it's, it tastes nice. You make sure it's evenly, make sure it's evenly, mixtures in there evenly. And what we do, we've got the chocolate cake mix. We're going to add this chocolate cake mix to the bowl, okay, of cake mix. Right, so we cut top off this. Oh, bugger, I didn't mean to do that. But never mind. And then we bung that in there like that. So right, now we've got the chocolate cake mixed in with the vanilla cake mix. Okay, and then we mix it up. So we're going to mix it up with a little mixer. We'll find a little one. Oh, I've got a little one. There it is, with a little one. And just mix it together until it smells delicious. Until it turns all chocolatey. Like that. Now this is quite a thick mixture. Oh look. Okay. It is quite a thick mixture, as you can see. But the reason it's a thick mixture is because if it was runny, it would just run into the chocolate mixture, into the vanilla mixture, and just turn the vanilla mixture into chocolate. We don't want that. We want it to be swirly. Okay? Right, and then what we'll do now, we spoon this into the mixture, into the tin, and then using a round knife, we gently swirl it through. Right, let's give this a go. Right, where's me? Right, round knife. Right. I'm a bit scared because I've never made one of these before, but let's go for it. Right, so we're going to pour the chocolate mixture into. Ooh. Okay. Too dark. Right, again, make sure you get out all the mixture out of your bowl. Sometimes easier than done. As you can see, it likes sticking to this spoon. Duh. I don't really want to waste any. Okay? Right. And then we're going to swirl it around. Can you see? Now we're going to gently swirl it around like this. I'm hoping this will work. So I've never made one of these before. It's all new to me, but it looks fun. Very gently swirl it, I would say, because you don't want the vanilla mixture to turn into all chocolate. You do want it swirly. So gently fold it. I'm going to see if I can get some more chocolate out of my bowl. You may turn it off. Right, now I have to put the chocolatey mixture into the vanilla mixture. I haven't whisked it in, I've gently folded it in, okay. Try to get as much chocolate out of the bowl as you can. It is quite a thick ingredient, but like I said, the reason it's thick is because we don't want it runny, because if it was runny, it would run into the cake mix and make the vanilla cake completely chocolate. Right, now I'm going to put it in the oven for between 37 minutes and 43 minutes, okay, on gas mark 180, and then we'll get it out and we'll see what it looks like in that time. Right, it's what the cake looks like. I've just dusted it with a bit of icing sugar, using a sieve and a bit of icing sugar. So no one wanted butter or icing on the top because they want to have it with custard. I'm just going to cut it and see if the twirly bits worked or whether it was a complete failure. So here goes. Well, it's not really twirls, it's more of a lump, but as you can see, the chocolate has. I suggest when I do it next time that you do mix it a bit more. Don't be quite so. I was a little bit scared of mixing it up too much, but has never made one of these before. But next time I shall whisk it up a bit more, not whisk it up, but just be a bit more, just stir it up a little bit more, so the chocolate mixes in with the vanilla cake. But it still looks quite nice. We'll see what it tastes like. And I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, and hopefully I'll see you all again soon in the next video. Alright, bye bye, 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 everybody, bye.